Hello, this is Alexander Cross, Criminal Defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos. So, we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who was accused of a donut competition in the street while intoxicated. Let's see here. One night, we had a donut contest with cars in a street. We had drank some beers and I was arrested. Well, yeah, off the bat, I'm thinking about 3 charges. One of them is obviously street racing. That is a misdemeanor under Vehicle Code Section 23109 that carries up to 90 days in county jail. Can't be street racing, can't be doing these contests. It's a misdemeanor, not the worst thing, but you could spend up to 3 months in county jail. The other charge is reckless driving under Vehicle Code Section 23103. That's also a misdemeanor that carries up to also 90 days in county jail. Now, it says right here that you were intoxicated. You had drank some beers. Okay. You drank a couple of beers. Keep in mind that if you are under the age of 21, you cannot have any measurable amount of alcohol in your system. If you do, you'll be charged with a violation of Vehicle Code Section 23140, which is a minor with alcohol in the system. That's a misdemeanor that carries up to 6 months in county jail. Plus, it will you'll end up with 1 year license suspension without the ability to get a restricted license because you're not 21. Now, if you're over the age of 21, it's a little bit different. You have to have a blood alcohol level of a 0.08, or the police would have to show that the alcohol was specifically impeding your ability to safely operate the motor vehicle. If the police could show, or more specifically, if the DA could show that the alcohol was impeding your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle, well then, in that specific situation, they don't have to show that you were at a 0.08 or more. They just have to show that you had some alcohol in the system. Now, let's say hypothetically you had alcohol and you also had drugs. Let's say you're both drunk and high. You do realize, and please realize, that out in the field, before you've arrested, out in the field before the arrest, you do have the right to refuse chemical tests or other field sobriety tests. For instance, this, walking, blowing in this little deal right here. You don't have to blow in this thing before your arrest. Now, after your arrest, once they take you to the station or the jail, they're going to give you a choice. They're going to say, well, you can blow in this machine or you could do blood. Well, if you have drugs in your system, don't do the blood test. Obviously, if the police are aware that you have drugs in your system or they smelled marijuana or something, they're going to want to do blood. But if they give you the choice to do blood or breath, go with breath, especially if you have drugs in your system. That way, they'll catch the alcohol, but they won't catch the drugs. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross & Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we can respond in the future with more videos like this one. But if you've been accused of a crime and need representation in court here in the San Francisco Bay Area, be sure to give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. On our next video, we're going to be discussing the case of somebody or 2 people who were having sex in a car in public. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.